Hello and welcome to the live session by Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this session we are going to talk about the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So we are going to do practice questions on the basis of the sum of the first n terms of an AP. So first we'll be doing the formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP, and then we'll be doing questions on the basis of those formulae. So are you guys ready? Am I audible and visible to every student in this session? Just confirm that in the chat, guys. Are you guys able to hear and see me properly? So we are going to do the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So let's see that, guys. Hello Reet, hi, hello Ayusha, welcome to this session. Hi Ram, welcome to this session. Are you guys able to hear and see me properly? Okay, so let's start with it, guys. Good evening, everybody. So we have to see how to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP. So basically, if this is if you have got an arithmetic progression, you can write it like this or not. Tell me. The first term can be written like this. Second term is a plus d. Third term is a plus 2d, and so on. It will go on. Suppose the second last term, you can write it like this: a plus n minus 2 into d. And the last term can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. I hope you people agree with me. Any doubt in this thing? That's how you can write the general representation of an arithmetic progression. Hello Shreya, welcome to this session. We can do that, guys. Okay, now we have to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP, which we will represent by Sn over here, right? So Sn will be what, guys? Suppose I'm writing like this. You see, that is equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d. We are adding the terms of this AP, that's it, plus dot dot dot. The second last term over here, it can be written like this: a plus n minus 2 into d. And the last term can be written like this: plus a plus n minus 1 into d. I hope this is clear. That's how we can write an AP, guys. Hello Joanel, welcome to this session. I can write it like this, guys. Now, can I write the AP in the reversed order? Tell me. And that will also be the sum or not? Tell me, do you agree with me? I can write the AP in the reversed order. I can take the last term first. So can I write it over here like this: a plus n minus 1 into d, correct? Plus, I can take it like this over here: a plus n minus 2 into d. N minus 2 into d, correct? So dot dot dot, what where it will go, guys? You see, this a plus d over here will come with this or not? Tell me. A plus d will come over here and a will come over here. Do you agree with me, guys? Tell me. Is this clear to every student over here? Ayusha, Shreya and Shravani, is it clear to everybody? Now can I add these two equations over here? We can add these two equations. So you see, over here you will get 2 times of Sn. Can I say like that? Over here you will get 2 times of Sn. Hi Nazrul, welcome to this session. So you see over here, if you combine these two terms, a term which is in front of the opposite term, you see, the AP was like this, and then you have written the AP, the same AP, starting from the last term. So you see, the first term will be in front of the last term or not? Tell me. The first term will be in front of the last term. So if you will add it, what will you get? You will get 2a plus n minus 1 into d or not? Tell me. In the same manner, you see that the second term will be in front of the second last term or not? Tell me. The second term will be in front of the second last term, and you will again see that you are going to get 2a plus, you see, this is d and this is d. So I can basically take d as common or not? I can take d as common, and this is nothing but 1d only. So if you take d as common, you will again get n minus 1 into d only. I hope this is clear. So in the same manner, it will keep on going. In the same manner, it will keep on going. Now you see over here, again the same thing, second last term and the second term. If you will add these two things, again you will get 2a plus n minus 1 into d only. Is it clear? Again the same thing, the last term and the first term will be added, and again you are going to get 2a plus n minus 1 into d only. Is this clear to every student over here? Is this thing clear? Okay, Nazrul, Ashutosh, is this thing clear? Shreya and Shravani, Ayusha, Doenel, is this clear? Ramraj. So how many times basically it is coming? You have to see that properly. How many times it is coming? So basically you see 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So basically n terms are there in this AP, right? If you start from here, n terms are there, or you write in the opposite order, then also n terms are there. So basically this is nothing but n times. It is n times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You got that, guys? Because you are adding the same thing n times over here. You are adding the same thing n times. So basically we are getting 2sn is equal to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So from here, if you take 2 on the other side of the equation, what will you get? If you will take 2 on the other side of the equation, so you will get Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And that is the formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is the proof of the formula clear to every student in this session? Just confirm that, guys. That if the first term of an AP is a, the common difference is d, and number of terms you're considering is n, then the sum of the first n terms of an AP is going to be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And that is the proof of it. It's a very simple proof. I hope this is clear to every student. Just confirm that. Is it clear or not? Okay, Ayusha. Okay, Nazrul. Ashutosh, is it clear? Shreya, is it clear? Doenel, Ayusha, is it clear to everybody in this session? Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. So we'll be doing questions on the basis of these formulae. No, that is the formula, Ashutosh. That is the formula. You cannot further simplify. Although there is one more form of this formula, I will explain that to you. Wait. So the sum of the first n terms of an AP, which we have derived in the previous slide, is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? We have derived this formula in the previous slide itself, correct? Now this can further be simplified and it depends on the situation, okay? So every time you cannot use this formula, I'll explain this. So this is, in place of a, can I write a plus a over here, correct? In place of 2a, I can write a plus a, and you see n minus 1 into d is already there, correct? So guys, what is this? A plus n minus 1 into d is what? If suppose in an AP only n terms are there, so therefore a plus n minus 1 into d, it means it is an, or you can say the last term if only n terms are there in that AP. So this can also be written like this, n by 2 into a plus an, or L, it depends on the situation. So therefore there are two formulae to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP. One is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and the other formula is n by 2 into a plus an, or you can write L as well. It depends on the number of terms. If suppose the number of terms in that AP is n only, then an is equal to L. It's okay. I hope it is clear, Aditya. Is it clear, Ashutosh, Ayusha, Nazrul? Any doubt in this? So depending upon the situation, you can use this formula as well. Many a times it will help you save time. And this is the actual formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I hope this thing is clear. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. Let us do some questions, guys. Although this you have to remember as a result, but many a times it can be asked as a question as well. Can you find the sum of the first n natural numbers? Can you tell me the answer? Sum of the first n natural numbers you have to find. Tell me, guys. Although, that is a formula, but again it is derived on the basis of that formula only. The sum of the first n terms of an AP. So Ashutosh is saying it is n plus 1 by 2. What about other students? So it is correct only. So basically you have to find the sum of the first n natural numbers. So you see the first n natural numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So n natural numbers we are talking about, right? So the last term will be n or not, tell me. Because we are talking about natural numbers only, na? So the last term will be n only. So Sn will be what, guys? Sn, can I use the second formula over here? Can I say it is n by 2 into a plus an? Can I say that over here, guys? Now you see, number of terms is n only. The first term is 1 over here, and an, or the last term, is n only, because these are n natural numbers, right? So this is the answer. You can better write it in this manner, nn plus 1 by 2. So this is the formula to find the sum of the first n natural numbers. Is it clear? Correct. So that is the derivation of it, or you can remember it as a formula. It must be on your tips. Is it clear, Nazrul, Ayusha, Ashutosh? Any doubt in that? Shreya, Doenel? It's a very simple question. I hope this is clear. So sum of the first n natural numbers is nn plus 1 by 2. So if somebody asks what is the sum of the first 100 natural numbers, if somebody asks what is the sum of the first 100 natural numbers, it will be nn plus 1 by 2. So 100 into 100 plus 1, that is 101 by 2. So this will be the answer. This will be the answer over here. Sum of the first 100 natural numbers. So it is going to be what? 5050. Sum of the first 100 natural numbers. I hope it is clear to every student over here. Okay. Now many a times this can also be asked. Can you find the sum of the first n even numbers? Now we are talking about even numbers only. Sum of the first n even numbers. Can you find it? In terms of a formula you can find, obviously. Can you tell that, guys? So first even number, you'll start with 2. So that is 2, 4, 6 and so on, right? Now you don't know the last even number over here, right? Last even number you don't know. So you can use this formula over here or not. Tell me. Sn will be equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? Now number of terms is n only. I hope you understand that. Now 2a over here. So 2a we can write over here, guys. A is the first term, that is 2 only. First term is 2 plus n minus 1. And what is the common difference? Common difference will also be 2. You see, d is equal to 4 minus 2 can I take? So that is 2 over here only. So this is the thing, you can further simplify it. So you will get basically n by 2, and inside the bracket you are going to get 4 plus 2n minus 2 over here. Correct? So basically you can further simplify and keep on simplifying. So basically you are going to get 2n plus 2 over here. So you can take 2 as common in the numerator, and 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So therefore you are going to get n into n plus 1. So this is the sum of the first n even numbers. Sum of the first n even numbers. That is correct, Ashutosh. I hope it is clear. So sum of the first n even numbers is nn plus 1 by 2. See, right now you are a student, Mannan, so please concentrate on your studies and obviously try to make every concept clear and practice enough number of questions. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt in that? So sum of the first n even numbers is nn plus 1 by 2. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the next thing. Now there is one more thing, sum of the first n odd numbers. Can you tell that, guys? Sum of the first n odd numbers. Okay, so you can start applying to institutes over there. I hope you understand that, Mannan, I cannot discuss about those things over here. I mean, because that is not the purpose of this channel and this session. I hope you understand that. So just start applying to institutes, right? And obviously you have to make sure that your concepts are good and you practice enough number of questions. Okay, Ashutosh is getting n square. So sum of the first n odd numbers, right? So odd numbers are starting from 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These are the odd numbers over here. Now Sn over here, can I not say that formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You don't know the last term, so therefore we are not using the second formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP. So you see, in the previous question also, in the previous two questions, I did not explain that, I forgot to do that actually. These are AP only. You see, the common difference is 1, common difference is 1, common difference is 1. So therefore I am using the formula of an AP. Needless to say that, right? In the same manner, this is an AP with common difference 2. In the same manner, this is an AP with the common difference 2. So therefore you can use the formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP. So n by 2 over here will come, guys, and 2a. What is the first term? First term is 1 plus n minus 1, and the common difference over here will be what, guys? Common difference is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So this is 2 over here. So this is the expression. You need to simplify this expression, you'll get the answer. So let's do that over here, guys. So this is n minus 2, and if you open up the bracket, you'll get 2 plus 2n minus 2. So you see this will be cancelled out, and basically you're going to get n by 2 into 2n. So you see this will be cancelled out, so therefore n square. So n square is the sum of the first n odd natural numbers. Is it clear? No, obviously not, Ashutosh. That is not a method. Suppose it comes as a subjective question, what will you do? I hope you understand that, Ashutosh. Yes, that is correct, Ayub. I hope it is clear. Ayusha, in the previous question, I hope it was clear. I was just simplifying this thing. I am taking 2 as common in the numerator. So in the denominator also you have got 2. I'll show it if it is confusing for you. I'll take 2 as common in the numerator. So I'll get n plus 1 over here. So therefore n into n plus 1 is the answer. I hope it is clear, Ayusha. Okay. So these are some formulae, and you can understand them as formulae, but you can derive it every time. I mean, no problem in that. It's a quick revision over here. I hope it is clear. So sum of the first n odd natural numbers is n square. Many a times it will help you do questions quickly. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Okay. So let's do some more questions over here. The first term, common difference, and the last term, this is last, not last, there is a mistake in that. And the last term of an AP is given. Last term of an AP are 12, 6 and 252 respectively. You have to find the sum of the all terms of this AP. Can you try doing this one? Try doing this and let me know the answer in the chat, guys. So it's a direct formula based question only. Try doing it, guys. Just note down the values quickly. So you see, first term, common difference, and last term is given. So basically first term is A, that is given to be equal to 12 over here. Last term, common difference, the second thing is common difference, that is 6 over here, and the last term, that is AN, or you can write L as well, it's all up to you. So it is given 252, correct? Now you see the last term is given, so therefore we can use the second formula. So Sn will be equal to n by 2 into A plus An. So over here you know the value of A, you know the value of An, but you don't know the number of terms of this AP, right? You don't know the number of terms, correct? So we can use this one or not. An is what, guys? It is A plus n minus 1 into D. You know this formula, that is equal to 252 over here. Now A is equal to 12 plus n minus 1, and D over here is what? D is 6. So that is equal to 252. So can I not say over here that n minus 1 into 6 is 240, and this will be equal to 40 over here. Therefore n is equal to 41. So the number of terms of this AP is 41 over here. So the sum of the first n terms of this AP will be 41 by 2 into A is what? 12, and An over here is what? 252. So this is the answer or not? Tell me. You can just simplify and get the answer. I'm not doing the whole calculation. I hope you understand that. So this will be 64, 264, and this is 132 into 41 will be the answer. You can do the calculation. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt in this question, guys? Okay, Ayub Khan, you can just multiply. What happened, Rohit? Hello, Rohit. Welcome to this session. So you can just multiply 132 into 41. You can check that. 132 into 41. So it's going to be 132. 4 2s are 8. Five, 4, 1, 2 are we getting? Am I doing it correctly? Just check it once. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, that is correct only. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. 615412, yes. I hope it is clear. How are you getting 4961 Ayub? I think you are doing some calculation mistake. I hope the question is clear to every student in this session. Let's move on to the next one, right? If there is any doubt, you have to say that, obviously, because if you will not say, I will not be able to know if it is clear or not, right? So let's move on to the next one. How many terms of this AP should be taken so that their sum is 0? How many terms should be taken so that the sum is equal to 0? Can you try doing this one and let me know the answer? Try doing this one, guys, and let me know the answer. How many terms means number of terms is being asked, okay? N is being asked over here. And what are the things given? You see, Sn is given to be equal to 0. And what are the other things? So Sn is equal to what? You know the formula. It is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the direct formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP, right? Direct formula it is. Now n you have to find. So let it be like that, n by 2 into 2a over here. The first term over here is 22. That is the first term. Plus n minus 1, and common difference according to this AP will be what? D is equal to 20 minus 22. Minus 2 is the common difference. I have seen many students, they will say that plus 2 is the common difference, but plus 2 is not the common difference. You have to take a term minus the previous term. A term minus the previous term is the common difference, correct? So 2 is not the common difference, minus 2 is the common difference of this AP. Just put it minus 2 over here and that is equal to 0. You just have to find the value of n, that's it. Okay, let's see that, Rohit. Let's see that. So you can open up this bracket over here. Can I take 2 as common in the numerator? So you can take 2 as common over here. So you will get 22 minus n plus 1 over here, right? Plus 1. So basically that is equal to 0 over here. So you see this will be cancelled out. So n into 23 minus n. So you see this is a quadratic equation in n. You see this is a quadratic equation in n. So two possibilities are there. N is equal to 0 or 23. 0 or 23. But obviously n is equal to 0 you will neglect, because you see already the number of terms in this AP. 3 terms you are already able to see. So you cannot say that the number of terms of this AP is 0. So therefore the number of terms of this AP is 23. So that is the answer. So you need 23 terms of this AP, and if you will add those first 23 terms of this AP, you'll get the sum to be equal to 0. I hope it is clear. Very good, Rohit. That is correct. Any doubt in this question, guys, to any student in this session? Just confirm that in the chat quickly. Ashutosh, Ayusha, Mannan, is it clear? Rohit, very good. I hope the question is clear. Just confirm that in the chat. If it is not clear, I can repeat it once again, or we can move on to the next question, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. If Sn, the sum of the first n terms of an AP, is given by this thing, then you have to find the nth term and the common difference. Can you do this one? You have to find the nth term and the common difference of this AP. Sn is given by this formula. Sn in terms of n is given. This is a very important question. One of the important questions you will get in AP. So 5n square plus 3n. This is the sum of the first n terms of this AP. You have to find the nth term and the common difference of this AP. It is not clear, Ayusha, the previous question. So it is Sn over here. So suppose I put 1 on both the sides of this. Can I not say S1 will be equal to 5 into 1 square plus 3 into 1, correct? So that is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Because if I put n is equal to 1 in the left hand side, I have to put n is equal to 1 in the right hand side as well. Now what is S1? S1 is sum of the first one term. You understand that? So sum of the first one term means this is equal to A1 only, right? This is equal to the first term of this AP only. So first term of this AP is 8. Now can I find S2 from here? Can I find S2? So S2 will be 5 into 2 square plus 3 into 2. If you put n is equal to 2 in the left hand side, you have to put n is equal to 2 in the right hand side as well. So basically this is 5 4s are 20 plus 6, 26. So this is 26 over here. correct? Now S2 is what? It is sum of the first two terms of an AP. Sum of the first two terms of an AP. So can I not say it is nothing but A1 plus A2 over here, right? And that is equal to 26. Sum of the first two terms of this AP is equal to 26. And we already know what is the first term of this AP. We already know that A1 is equal to 8. So you can put A1 is equal to 8 plus A2, that is equal to 26. So from here, what is A2, guys? A2 will come out to be equal to 26 minus 8 is what? 18. So the first term of this AP is 8 and the second term of this AP is 18. Is it clear? Now if you know the first term, if you know the second term, what is the common difference, guys? Common difference will be A2 minus A1. That is the common difference. You already know this formula. So A2 over here is 18 and the first term over here is 8. Okay, that is equal to 8. So the common difference of this AP is going to be 10. Any doubt in this question, guys, up till here? Now you have to find the nth term of this AP as well. Now nth term is what? You know the formula, an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find the nth term of an AP. So you can just put the value over here. A1 over here is 8 plus n minus 1 and the common difference which we have got over here is 10. So you can simplify, that will give you 10n minus 2. So this is the nth term of this AP and this is the common difference of this AP. And if you know the nth term of this AP, you can obviously find any term of this AP. Just put n is equal to any value depending upon the question. 10n minus 2 I think you are getting. Actually it is not visible, Ashutosh, today there is some issue. It is very small. Can you tell that you have written minus only? So the nth term of this AP is 10n minus 2. I hope this is clear up till here, Ashutosh, Ayub Khan, Rohit, Ayusha. I hope this question is clear. One of the important questions they'll get in AP if you talk about up till grade 10. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. So let's move on to the next question, guys. Let's try doing this one. This is also an important question, although this is a proof-based question, but it can be asked as an objective question as well. If the nth term of an AP be 1 by n and the nth term be 1 by m, so you have to show that mnth term is 1. Although this is not on the basis of some of the first n terms of an AP, this is on the basis of the nth term of an AP formula, right? So, but this question is important. One of the important questions you'll get in AP. So, mth term of an AP is this and nth term is this. See, you don't know the AP, right? It means you don't know its common difference, you don't know its first term. So, you have to assume that the first term of this AP is A and the common difference is D. So, mth term is 1 by n. See this statement. Mth term is 1 by n. So, can I not say that A plus m minus 1 into D, that is equal to 1 by n over here? Can I say that this is the first equation? In the same manner, it is given that nth term is 1 by m. Nth term is 1 by m. So, can I not say it is A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to 1 by m over here? This is the second equation. I can say that. So, basically you have got two equations. Can we treat them as linear equations in two variables? Linear equations in two variables. The variables are first term A and the common difference D. So, you can treat them as linear equations in two variables and solve these equations. So, can I think of eliminating the variable A over here? I can think of eliminating this. For that, suppose I am subtracting the second equation from the first equation. So, I am writing it like this. Don't write it like this in your answer sheet. Don't do it like this. You have to write this statement that upon subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 we get. So, you see A and A will be cancelled out. And you see you have got this D and this D. We can take it as common, guys, you see. So, therefore, you will get m minus 1 and we are subtracting. So, therefore, sign will change over here, guys. So, minus n plus 1. Correct? And that will be equal to what? That will be 1 by n minus 1 by m over here. So, you see we can cancel out this thing over here as well. So, you see inside the bracket you have got D into m minus n. And if you take the LCM of the denominators over here, you are going to get m minus n upon mn. So, you see m minus n and m minus n will be cancelled out. So, what is the common difference of this AP, guys? The common difference of this AP in terms of m and n is 1 upon mn. This is the common difference, correct? So if you know the common difference, can I put d is equal to 1 by mn? You can put in this equation or you can put in the second equation. It is all up to you, right? So suppose I'm putting in the first equation itself. So d is equal to 1 by mn. I'm putting in the first equation itself. So a plus m minus 1 upon mn, and that is equal to 1 by n over here, right? So let's simplify and solve this equation. So a will be equal to what, guys? 1 by n minus, I can say m minus 1 by mn. So if you simplify and take the LCM of the denominators over here, you'll get mn, and over here you'll get m minus m plus 1 if you simplify. So basically the first term of this AP is also coming out to be equal to 1 by mn. So you see that the first term of this AP is coming out to be equal to 1 by mn, and the common difference is also coming out to be equal to 1 by mn. So basically we have to find the mnth term of this AP, right? Mnth term, it means, okay, there is no space, so no problem, I'll do it over here only. So we have to find the mnth term, or you can say amn. So amn will be what? A plus mn minus 1 into d, if you use the formula. I hope you agree with this thing, guys. So just put a is equal to 1 by mn over here, guys. A is equal to 1 by mn plus mn minus 1, and then you can put d is equal to 1 by mn. That is it. I hope it is clear. So if you take the LCM of the denominators and you simplify, so 1 plus mn minus 1 upon mn will come over here. So you see 1 and 1 will get cancelled out over here, right? So 1 and 1 will be cancelled out over here. And what I can do from here, guys, I can say that this is nothing but mn upon mn. So mn upon mn is nothing but 1. So have we proved that the mnth term of this AP is m? Is it clear to every student in this session? Ayub Khan, Rohit, Ashutosh, Ayusha, is it clear that the mnth term of this AP is 1? Any doubt in this question, guys, to any student in this session? Just confirm that in the chat, guys. Okay. Now the next question over here is, in an AP, for any AP we are talking about, we are not talking about any specific AP. For an AP, we have to prove that S12, that is sum of the first 12 terms of any AP, is equal to 3 into S8 minus S4, where S8 is the sum of the first 8 terms of an AP, and S4 is the sum of the first 4 terms of an AP for any AP, where Sn represents the sum of the first n terms of an AP. I hope this is clear. So this is a proof-based question, which is also one of the, it's not a very rare question. You'll get this question in any of the books. I hope it is clear to you. So let's try doing this one, right? So can I start with the right hand side over here? And see, we don't know the AP, so let's assume that the first term of this AP is A and the common difference is D. I can do that over here, guys. So if you start from, suppose, the right hand side, because that is more complex, I hope you understand, because left hand side is having only one term, right? So in the right hand side, that is equal to 3 into S8 minus S4. I hope this is clear. So let's put the formula over here, you'll get the answer automatically, you see. So S8 will be what? Sum of the first 8 terms of an AP. What is the formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP? That is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2, or you can say 8 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or you can say 8 minus 1 into d, or you can say 7d. Correct? Minus S4 will be what? Sum of the first 4 terms of an AP. So n by 2, or you can say 4 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or you can say 4 minus 1 into d, or you can say 3d. I hope this is clear up till here. So this is the expression which we need to simplify. So if I simplify, you see this is 2 over here, and over here it is nothing but 4. Let's simplify it further, guys. So this is 3 into, if I open up the bracket, you'll get 8a plus 28d. If I simplify over here, I'll get minus 4a, and I'll get minus 6d, right? Minus 6d. So this is the expression which we are getting. Let's simplify it further. So we are going to get 3 into, I'll get 4a over here, 28 minus 6 is 22, right? So plus 22d. I hope this is clear. And I want it to be equal to S 12 over here, right? So S12 is what, guys? S12 will be 12 by 2, that is 6 into 2a plus 12 minus d, or you can say 11d. So can I not take 2 as common over here? Can I take 2 as common? So I'll be getting 2a plus 11d over here. I can say that, correct? So this is basically 3 2s are 6, guys. This is 3 2s are 6. So can I write it 12 by 2 over here? And inside the bracket, we have got 2a plus, in place of 11d, can I write 12 minus 1 into d? Correct? So what is this, guys? Is it of the form n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d? So can I not say that this is equal to the sum of the first 12 terms of this AP, and that is equal to the left hand side? Have we proved it? So this is independent of any AP. In any AP, you will get S12 to be equal to 3 into S8 minus S4. I hope this question is clear to every student in this session. Just confirm that in the chat, guys. Ayusha, Ashutosh, is it clear? Rohit, Ayub Khan, any doubt in this question? Manan? I hope this is clear to every student in this session, guys. In case of any doubt, you can post after the class as well. Ayusha, you see this is 3 2s are 6 or not, Ayusha? And in place of 6, you can write 12 by 2 or not, tell me. Why I am writing 12 by 2? Because I want to fix it in the formula. I want to fix it in the form of n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the sum of the first n terms of any arithmetic progression. I hope this is clear to you, Ayusha. Is it clear? Okay. So I hope this is clear to every student in this session. That's all we needed to do in this session on some of the first n terms of an AP. In case of any doubt, please post in the comment section after this session. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, so that you get updates regarding sessions and many more questions to practice, and also the PDFs of these sessions. Bye bye, guys. We'll meet in the next session. Take care, everybody.